Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday of June 3rd, 2021. This week is a short week. The market is continuing to go sideways in the correction low volume mode. So you see it on the May and June, the market do go sideways choppy because most of the traders they are on vacation. So that the historical the market will go choppy. So we have to stay in the choppy mode for a while before the people will get back, and then they will have more volume to trade. So right now the trader is still worried about the inflation. But look at the job last claim report and look like it, they still have people still have a positive thinking on the market recovery. Right now, with the market it's sideways choppy, a lot of defense stock like oil and energy it continue to trade higher. So now I'm going to do a market update, and after that we're looking for some bottom fishing stock to trade. So first of all, let's take a look on the ES. So if you look at the ES chart here, the market they have a tough time to break through the all-time high here. So they do sideways choppy. It's not really going down, but they are very choppy. They go nowhere. So the whole week here they yet go sideways. Same thing like the Dow. It also they are very choppy. They didn't give you a clear direction where they're heading to, but the market is still hang tight to the upside right now. And look at the Russell 2000, they still stuck into the triangle formation here. So they are still sideways choppy until they be able to clear this resistance here in order to go higher. And if you look at the technology stock, they have some trouble to get to the sales on here because it looked like the 10-year treasury note they pump up today. So the people more worried about inflation and the corporate tax increase. So a lot of technology stock are still in a very choppy in the correction in the downside a little bit here. And if you look at the big volatility index, so the last couple of days they put it up a little bit, so that's why the market push it down a little bit in the sideways choppy mode here. At this moment, okay, every time they slam up, every time they push it up, the people do slam it down. So it means that they have to sideways here. Okay, but the volatility pick it up a little bit. So you see that market is a little bit more choppy up and down during the day if you are a day trader. And if you look at the 10-year treasury note, and you can see that today they get back again. So they hold out at the buy on here. So if the 10-year treasury note they continue to go higher, they can call the interest rate to go up and the more inflation. So the technology stock to have trouble here. And if you look at the gold, it's also after they hit to the sell zone, so they pull back down. So they found a support here. So after they run far away here, so the people take some profit at the sell zone. So they pull back down. Right now they have some support here. So we'll see if they try to rebound back up. Okay, they are too choppy sideways after they hit to the foot level of resistance here. And if you look at the crude oil, it's still bullish. Okay, they be able to break out the sell zone, to pull back, but the momentum is still bull. So if the market the economy recovery will be more demand, so the oil still continue to put it up to the upside. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it's still dancing around here. I don't think we are out of wood yet. So the market is still goes sideways, choppy here. And then if they break below here, they will slam down one more shot before they can get back up. So anything they pull up here is just a rebound, but it's not a bullish mode yet. So you have to be careful. Same thing like Ethereum. Ethereum is a little bit stronger, but it's still choppy here. Okay, it's no bull yet. They get the rebound. So we really want them to come down, okay, to stabilize before they fight the bottom and then looking for a way to put it up in the future. And if you look at a lot of sector still in the sideways choppy mode, the only sector doing well, that the energy sector, as you can see here, they continue to put it up after the breakout with a cup with a handle pattern here. So a lot of stock in this sector are still doing very well. That we highlight the last couple of weeks here. So those stocks are still strong breakout and still in the upside there. USO, okay, that's another United States oil. This one here is still bullish as a breakout. The momentum is still in the upside. Another one is BDCE, okay, so this one here also breakout with a cup handle still strong to the upside. And if you look at the financial sector, some stock that we mentioned with a lot of money, stimulus money, okay, the financial sector is still pretty strong, okay, even though they're a little bit standard, but they are still moving up because a lot of financial stock like Goldman Sachs is still extremely strong there, okay, JP Morgan also very strong there, American Express, so those stocks are still rumble the upside. And right now the market is it's a short wick here, so we only have one more day left, but we're looking for some stock that bottom have the potential to break out. So I can give you one of them. It's like the UK. So this stock here, it looked like it after they pull back down, they find a support here. If the momentum is able to hold up here, they will find a way to looking for the uptrend there. The next one is the GILT. This one here, it also they found a support at the bottom here. They try to turn around, so they dropped from 22 bucks to 10 bucks. So that's more than 50% discount. So now they try to find a way to get up to somewhere. Okay, so that's another one. And the last one I'm going to give you is LUMN. So this stock here is also come back to test the resistance here a couple of times. So today they were able to break out here. So it look like the momentum catching up here. So this stock here will have potential to break out and continue to go higher. Okay, so besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where I handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this week is a short week, so thank you for watching, and we will see you on the weekend video. Take care, everyone.